Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, I'm in a different environment from the traditional for the channel. This is my wife's car, and I'm on my way to the iStore here in my area to pick up my MacBook Air, which is not repaired. Okay, I didn't give them order to repair because I still consider it's Apple's issue, and Apple should either do a total recall of the MacBook Air or be responsible and fix the problem, and especially mine in my case, repair without any cost. I'm not gonna pay 508 euros for a MacBook Air that I bought 5 months ago, and apparently from no reason at all, it crashed the internal display. Okay, it's a MacBook that I always keep in the most upstream position. Okay, there's traffic, no scratches, no nothing, and it just broke, and it's inadmissible that Apple is charging me to fix the problem. Another thing that I don't think it's admissible, it's that those YouTubers that everyone knows, that Peter McKinnon, all the big ones, that Potato Jet and everyone that received Apple products to review on the special day when they are released, I'm sure they also know that Apple does have these problems. But what I'm interested to know is where are those videos reporting these issues? Well, there is none. Okay, it's a shame that they get paid to do the good publicity, and when there are issues like this one, which it's not one user like me, it's thousands of users that have the same problem. You just, like I said, you just do a Google search and you will find this problem online, that thousands of people have it. There is zero videos from those big YouTubers reporting the problem. Why? Because they would lose their sponsorship from the brand, and of course no one would want that. But in my channel, since I'm not sponsored by anyone, I can talk about whatever I want, I can expose whatever I want, and I'm gonna expose Apple for the fraud that it is. Okay, it's embarrassing, and it is a shame that it works like this, because I was a very happy and proud user of Apple. It took me like I changed it like the last 5 months ago. I changed it because I was a Windows user. I changed it specifically because of this MacBook Air M1, and now I'm fully regretting having to change for the M1 because of this issue, which is a big issue as I see it. Okay, lots of people have the problem, and they are charging around, I'm talking in euros, which is my country, 508 euros to fix the problem, which is very embarrassing for the company. And they know it's their problem with their material, and they are not doing anything to fix it or recall the MacBook's Air. This is just to put you on alert, because if there were more videos like this, I would probably not be an Apple user, because I would have been prepared for what would possibly be coming to happen to me. And unfortunately there are none, but now there will be a lot of videos about these issues, and 2 languages, Portuguese and English, so to make sure that I do get the most people with these videos about this issue. Having said this, I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna on my way to the store. I'm gonna try to record there on the store. If not, I'll do a user complaint form there, and I'll bring my MacBook home, and then we'll see what's gonna happen, and I'll keep updating this thread with the resolution, either from Apple or other way that I'll try to find to fix the problem. One thing, Apple International, 0 replies. Apple Portugal, okay, you already know the reply. You are stuck, there's nothing I can do. Good luck with it, and have fun, and see you the next one. Spend the 500 euros and everyone will be happy. Having said this, guys, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!